Hi! This short video will help you if your video and audio don't synchronize in Premiere Pro. The sound does not match the movie. You probably have a long MP4 file in your Premiere Pro timeline. I think the best way is to convert your MP4 file to a .mov file, which is a QuickTime file format. If you have a Windows computer, you can't install QuickTime anymore, so I suggest that you go to convertfiles.com. Tap on Browse and select your file on your local computer. The input format is MP4 and choose Output format QuickTime movie file .mov. And press Convert. Now it takes about 5 or 15 minutes depending how large your file is. The file was successfully converted. Click here to go to the download page. Tap on the link to download your converted file to your local computer. Drag this new converted file to your timeline. And I hope your audio and video are synchronized. And that's it. Good luck!
Thank you for watching this video. If you get the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.